Hello everybody, let's go over the markets before I go on holiday for the next 3 weeks, so you won't hear anything from me unless something very dramatically happens in the markets. So let's see. Bitcoin, so we are still in this range, and then we did come down to the 0.618 FIP extension, and also to the VWAP, which comes from this low on the 23rd of January, and it looks like this one is becoming resistance, so that doesn't look too good. So let's take this chart. So here we can see that we have been making a big bull flag breakout, and now we're forming again a bull flag, but I don't think this will hold because we have here two daily fair value gaps below. And if you look at the volume, this is very low. That's also the reason why we have fair value gaps. It's because there's no, like here, those are two bullish candles, so they just shot straight up. So the sellers didn't have any chance to get on board here. And also institutions who were willing to buy here didn't get filled. So there's a possibility that we come back down to, what is this, the 56 to 52 region for those orders to get filled, and then we get higher. But for now, it looks bearish. Also here, if we look at the Binance Basis Oscillator, we're a bit neutral, nothing extreme. And then we have this hash ribbon. So when it's red, then it shows that miners are selling. So I can't really verify that, but I guess it's true since price is coming down. So algo trading on the 1 hour, so clearly in profit over here. Then for the longer term, so Bitcoin on the daily, got the sell signal on the 31st of May, so this one is also nicely in profit. Then looking at Ethereum, sell signal on the 11th of June and slightly in profit. Solana, still the same, just like in my previous video. Sell signal, got slightly in profit. XLM, this one got the sell signal over here, so yeah, this one is also clearly in profit. And then XRP, let's okay, this is the turtle strategy, so this one only goes long. And okay, since my last video nothing has changed. Maybe this one, two buy entries and then an exit afterwards, so nothing happened there. And also from the FIB compression, none of the targets were reached yet. But then if we go to Gala, there it did reach the target, although the risk to reward was not really a nice one, but anyway, took a little trade. So I can remove this one. So you can see we did hit the 0.618. So this is from this low to this high and then to this low again. So as you can see, we got some price compression over here. So triangle formation with a breakout to the downside, as was expected, because those green lines, so the volume weighted average prices, they were acting as a resistance. Also for XRP, this is still valid below all the volume weighted average price lines. Then let's have a look. Gold. So bull flag, breakout, bull flag. And now it looks like we're breaking out again. That's yet to be seen. So far, this VWAP line is support. And now we have this red one over here. We're going to have to see how price will react around this region. But so far, no buy signal yet. For silver, also here very nice, bull flag, and now we're again in a bull flag. So we got 2 buy signals, but then the day after we got an exit signal, which looks like for the moment to be at the bottom. So here we also have to wait for higher prices. So this VWAP, for the moment we're just a bit above it. So we're gonna have to see whether this one can continue to act as support. Then the traditional markets. So we have Nasdaq. So it looks also a bit toppy-ish if we throw this line over here and make it dashed. So this is the high we reached the day after we tried again, got rejected, and then we tried again, and then we got rejected even harder. So here we're gonna have to see. Looks like we're coming back to that region, so which is 20,271. So here we're gonna have to see how what the markets will do. So far in profit, maybe the last buy signal here is slightly in a loss, but all the others are in profit. Then Euro USD, everything is still the same here, still in a short position, and for now the VWAP line from the low of September 2022 is still acting as support. So we had it over here, and for the moment again support. So but we might risk losing it, so that's also to be seen. Crude oil, I didn't pay much attention to this one, but okay, we got 2 buy signals and we got again above the VWAP lines, so these are clearly support now again. So yeah, next targets would be this high and then maybe this red VWAP line, which is from the high in 2022. And then copper had a very nice rally, and now it's coming down again. And let's see, where can we find a nice low? Let's see if some VWAP lines might help us here. Yeah, this is the low. Okay, still above it. So this is green, this is support. And then let's take one from the top there. This would be resistance. Let's see which one might line up as well. Maybe this low. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. Maybe this low. Now this one is quite close, so I'll remove this one again. Yeah, so it also looks reasonably bullish if we can reclaim, where is this line, at 4.425. Then yeah, we might see some higher prices. But for now, from the algo, there's no signal. Then the individual stocks, Apple, yeah, not much to say. We got 4 buy signals still in a long. Adobe, let's zoom on this one. So here you have the people who are new to the channel. So here are the values you should enter for the algorithm. So it's so you click on indicators, and then let's see. Where is it? Yeah, it's this one. Sorry, is this Turtle System from Eugene71. If you add this one, then it's this. So the first one, stop N, risk of capital that I don't use. Pyramiding, so that's this one, 0.5. Maximum that I leave out, you can put like 100 there or something. ATR that I also ignore. Then we have the L1, L2, L1 exit, L2 exit. And then pyramiding, that's here under properties. Here, pyramiding. There you put 2. Okay, so that's a short explanation. So we get several buy entries, and then yesterday at the closure of the candle we also got an extra buy signal. And let's have a look at the volume, because I have the impression that nowadays all those pumps, they are on very low volume. It doesn't give me much confidence in the markets. But hey, if it goes up and we can make money out of it, why not? But just be cautious. Don't be too aggressive in the market. Amazon. Also here, 2 buy signals and prices coming up. Let's see volume-wise. Locally we have a bit of volume, but compared to the past here in November, December, January, those peaks were much higher. Alibaba, nothing. Walt Disney, also nothing. Alphabet, still doing very good. So several buy entries here at the bottom. So that's already, let's see, from the last buy signal, we're up 35%. So that's, for the moment, still a nice trade. MasterCard, how much? Minus 2.13% yesterday. We got some buy signals, so it looks like, yeah, we closed it out with a small loss. McDonald's. Okay, we got two buy signals. Meta. Also here, several buy signals, and for the moment in profit. Same for Microsoft. Also several buy signals. And let's check the volume on this one. It was also a downtrend. Nike. Oh, this doesn't look good. Nike, we got a buy signal over here, and then it dropped. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's doable. So minus 3% for the moment. Yeah, and then Nvidia, of course. Buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. So 4 buy signals for the moment. The last one is not in profit. The 3 others are in profit. Let's see volume wise. Also volume is downtrending. Price is coming up, so this also doesn't give much confidence for this stock anymore. I think we slowly reach the top in the markets. Palantir, okay, 1 buy signal for the moment, also in profit. Let's see, yesterday plus 4.65%, also on low volume. Then Tesla. Yeah, the day before yesterday, almost plus 5%, and thanks to that we got a buy signal, volume-wise. Also, doesn't also look fantastic. Nasdaq we discussed. S&P 500, also a few buy signals and currently nicely in profit. And on the topic of the S&P 500, despite my algos being long, on another account I took a small short position, because here we can see a clear channel, and while at the end of last year and beginning of this year, we were trading on the upper half of the channel. And then in April, we did come down to the bottom of the channel. And since then, the midpoint of the channel acted as a resistance. And this is also going on here. So we might still see some higher prices, but I would doubt that we break out from this midpoint. So I will see. So for the moment, I'm in a small loss. Maybe I will close it. I will see how price reacts around this midpoint. Like I said, it's a very small position, so I'm not going to lose much money on this one, because we can have a situation like over here in May, where we start to go sideways, then start to look again for the bottom of the range, and then pump up again. So the same can happen here as well, or we come down a bit and then up again to the 5,600 region, let's say. So it's all to be seen, but this channel to me looks quite important. All right, okay, good. That's it for the markets, and then yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.